Welcome back to Talk of the Town. Edward Taylor is with me now. He's a senior portfolio manager with Verity Investment Partners. Good to have you with us, Edward.
Thanks for having us back.
So let's begin with discussing, when we're working, we have earned income, and then when we stop working, retire or rewire, we then basically live off of our investments. So you all with Verity Investment Partners have several things going on. You have a webinar coming up to help educate us about that so that we can live, well for years to come. And also you have a survey. So let's start with the webinar. So what is
Thanks.
that, Edward?
So the webinar is really something that it's a tool that we kind of created recently to help people discover what financial freedom really means to them. It's something that we all seek as we get older and kind of approach retirement age, but it's very unique to each of us.
Right.
And so the tool is really designed to help discover for us what that looks like and then what the sources of income kind of may be. Mm-hmm. It takes a deeper dive into our dividend growth approach.
Right.
And then it kind of ends with investing back into your life and how that can really look like and help you grow through retirement.
Right. So Verity Investment Partners, tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure. So we started back in 2002, based in Beaufort, South Carolina, but we have offices in Bluffton, Charleston, San Antonio, and Vail.
Oh,
actually.
Wow. So you've really grown. Fantastic.
We have.
Yes.
We have.
Yes.
It's been great. We have an income growth focus. Mm-hmm. So we want our clients to really have a meaningful income stream in retirement that can help them replace the earned income they had when they were working. And we feel like if we can get those lines to cross in retirement and help exceed their living expenses, it creates a better situation where they can live a more joyful life in retirement.
Right. So there is a survey. It's called a Return of Life Survey. Is that connected with the webinar, or is that another tool on your website that you want folks to?
It's another tool that we'd like folks to use as well. It really focuses on answering the question of, is your wealth being invested in a way that's improving your life? Mm-hmm. And so it kind of takes us back a little bit from the wealth management aspect, the investment management aspect, and guides us into more of a life-centric planning experience where we want to understand what other areas of your life we could invest in. So kind of, for instance, there are sort of kind of 5 key spots, and the foundational ones are more health and wealth.
Right.
Health would be the most important. Without our health, what else
doesn't matter how much money you have.
And the wealth we focus on as a firm, and the webinar kind of focuses on that aspect of it. And then we have the building blocks that kind of go on top of that: people, places, and pursuits. And so the survey helps us find out which of those areas we need to focus on and with our clients to help them live a more fulfilling and joyful life in retirement.
And do you do one-on-one sessions with individuals? Do you do Zoom? So how do you interact with your clients?
One-on-one. Everything's one-on-one. We'll certainly do Zoom in this environment, but we prefer face-to-face conversations. It really helps to educate both folks on whether it's the right fit or whether it's not the right fit, and really understand what we can provide versus a traditional wealth advisor.
And so the tools are on your website. So could you share with our viewers exactly what the website is?
They can go to verityvip.com, and the tools will be right there on the website. Should be pretty easy to find. News and Insights is the tab they can go under.
Okay.
And the webinar will be available as well as on the survey, and they can feel free to reach out anytime.
And so the webinar is up now, and you can do it at any time?
They can listen to it at any time. It's up and available.
It's free?
It's free,
It's free.
Of course.
And of course the survey as well.
Yeah.
We've got about 30 seconds left. Any other little tidbits of advice for our viewers?
I'd say save early and have a long-term time horizon. Longevity is the key to success in our business.
Right. Very good. Edward Taylor, so nice to have you with us on
Thank
Talk
you.
of the Town.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having us back.
Again, Verity Investment Partners, one of our partners with WHHI-TV, and we'll be right back with Talk of the Town. Stay with us.